Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the unique network crowdloan rewards, about how you can claim the rewards and how you can unlock the reward. So unique network is a parachain in Polkadot ecosystem. They focus on the NFTs, so it's for the composable NFT with advanced economics. The NFT chain built for Polkadot and Kusama. So if you participate into their crowdloan, now you should get the rewards. So this tutorial will just briefly show you how you can check the rewards and how you can claim and unlock. And so first of all, for these rewards, they just start the distribution. I think the time like they start is July 11. So you should have it for around 1 or 2 weeks already. How to get the crowdloan rewards? It turns out you don't really need to claim or do anything. It should be in your wallet. And so I just post a link. Let's just go to the link and choose your account. So this is my account, for example. I make some contribution. You can see this is the unique rewards you have got. And no, you don't need to claim. Okay, you should get that. And you can also see the transferable. Right now it's only one unique, so you only have one of them you can transfer. Most of them they are locked, so most of them you cannot use them. So obviously that's not much, right? So they are going to vest that. They are going to like you can basically unlock it block by block. So how did you unlock the vested unique token? I also post a link here. You can just go there. Actually, you can choose from the JS wallet. It's actually developed here and the strings. So you can choose from there, or you can just use this link. So after you go to the link, you just choose which one you want to use to unlock. So this one, like this is the total amount, right? And then you will choose the claim. And so there should be an option vesting, vesting and the claim. So you will do the vesting and the claim. Now you need to submit the transaction. So now I'm going to sign and submit. So sign the transaction. So now what you did is you unlock those vesting token, and actually it's block by block, so it has been like around 2 weeks. I don't know how many token I can actually unlock, but as a demo I just show you. Actually most of you don't really need to do anything. So because it's unique right now, I don't see anywhere it's listed. So so even you unlock that, you probably will just keep that in the wallet. But anyhow, for the educational purpose, I will still show you how you can unlock that and what happened if you unlock. So you can see that clearly. Now, originally it's one unique token, right? Now I do the claim, I unlock them, and so I get a 10. And you may ask, like, why is only 10? Why is not all of them? Because it's linearly vested, so that means it block by block, like each block, they are going to have more like token that you can unlock, and then you can use that after you claim. Then you can use that. It will be going into this transferable account or balance, right? So you could imagine it's just like in the bank, there is one account you can use that, like a checking account, right? And there's another account like saving account. You normally don't touch that, but this is more like locked. So that means some of the token you just cannot use it. You have to wait for some time, and then you can unlock, and then you can use it. Okay, so I think that's all. Overall, like I covered everything about the unique network, the crowdloan rewards, how to get it, how to claim, how to unlock. It should be good enough for you, and in the future when it's listed, you can send it, and then you can use that token. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.